Alright, so I just purchased the Renogy, or Renogy, however you want to pronounce it. R-E-N-O, Renogy, whatever the case may be. And enough on that. As you can see, the charge controller's hooked up. The green light here is good to go, it means the battery's being charged. If it's blinking, I forgot what it means. I think it's overcharged or something. If it's orange, it's low. Red, well, red, obviously, red means it's bad. The green blinking light means it's charging. System's good. This one here is for the light, which I have an option to use that or not. And underneath this button here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, whatever. That's a pretty sweet feature that this charge controller has. Depending on what it's set to, it will provide power out of this terminal to a light, an accessory. And depending on what number it's set for will determine on how long the light will stay on for after the sun has set. And yeah, that's my 3 other charge controllers. That those are pretty nice too, because you know you got the little cigarette lighter, you got the adapter ports, an inverter, or yeah, 12 volt inverter, USB, which only puts out 5 volts, half an amp. And then I can turn the LCD screens off with the button, or I can turn the whole module off with the switch. Whereas this one, but you definitely can't beat the price for the whole system. I did have to make a couple modifications to the wires, because the wires weren't long enough to go out and about and around. And these are actually 16 gauge wire. I doubled them up to provide enough continuity for the amperage to travel through, so that way it wouldn't have a restriction. But yeah, we're gonna go outside and check this bad boy out. So as you can see, there's the 3 solar panels bought from Harbor Freight. They're 45 watts a piece, 45, 45, 45. That's 135 total. And then you have the 1 solar panel, which is about, I don't know, 2/3 of the size of the one, and pretty much puts out the equivalency of wattage to the all 3. The 100 watt solar panel. Pretty magnificent. Think it's about time to hook me up a frickin' air conditioning unit in this bad boy. So I got this USB port right here, which I plug it in, and I've got light. I disconnect it, and bam, the light turns off. Now these little features here came with the Harbor Freight system. Oh, that's that one. And then this one, which these light bulbs here are fluorescent, and they kind of fluorescent bulbs pull quite a bit of power. I've actually got like the one right there, the LED. The LED is the way to go. They're low voltage, but when you run them, you can't just hook them straight to the battery because you'll blow them. They're only 3 volt, 4 volt LEDs for the most part, unless if you have a resistor or some kind of down converter. And yeah, I've only had this solar panel hooked up for maybe about 10 minutes now, and I'm already buck wild excited. Glad to have it. And I don't know how to pronounce it, Renogy, but the bottom line is the future of clean energy, high quality premium solar module. You will be seeing me make another purchase in the very near future. Peace.